I am delighted to have been invited to participate in today's graduation event, and I would like to congratulate you all for successfully completing the Continuing Professional Development Certificate in Remote Work for HSE staff and health workers. As a society, we have had to make huge sacrifices to combat the spread of COVID-19 in our communities, and thanks to the efforts made by you and your families, we've made good progress. However, the virus is still with us, and we must remain vigilant in the battle against it. HSE and health workers have played a critical role during this pandemic, and the dedication and commitment which you have demonstrated during these difficult months will never be forgotten. Today's graduation was born out of COVID. It is an example of how people and organisations have had to adapt and respond to this unprecedented situation. The pandemic forced many organisations and workplaces to rethink their traditional workplace models and explore how they could facilitate home working. In turn, initiatives like this have developed to build the capacity and the confidence of those working from home. The success of this programme is remarkable, with almost 2,500 people registering and 1,000 workers having completed it to date. To each of you who have come through this programme, I just want to say that your commitment to your work is an example to all. As part of the team that have cared for our people through this very difficult period and continue to care for them, you are performing a great national service. You have earned the trust and confidence of every community across our country. On their behalf, and on my own behalf, I want to say thank you. I also want to pay tribute to the School of Management team at TU Dublin, Paul O'Reilly, Maeve Coleman, Marion Jennings and Rowena Hennigan for developing such an innovative and effective programme, and to Enovation, which provided the technology platform. It would not have been possible without the HSE's Assistant National Director for Organisational Digital Change, Maria O'Loughlin, who supported the programme design and rollout. COVID has seen Ireland stand together, and this programme is reflective of the collaborations which are happening all across our society. Everyone graduating here today is playing an active part in the fight against COVID. You are the support structure on which our health service is built. Because of your drive to continue working in evolving and challenging circumstances, Ireland is coming through these difficult and unprecedented times. I would like to thank you for actively participating with this remote working programme, and I congratulate you on successfully completing this certificate. It's a great moment for you. Well done, and enjoy the day.